the Delusional Series, compiled according to the teachings of the Master, author Fafu. The Delusional Series, Part 2, The Unity of Delusion and Dream. To cultivate virtuous conduct, it is essential to delve deeply into the teachings of Buddhism, particularly the law of karma. By understanding the intricate connections between our actions and their consequences, we can make informed choices that lead to liberation. For instance, one must thoroughly comprehend the various karmic results of actions such as killing. By comparing these to the benefits of non-violence, one can make a conscious decision to cultivate compassion. However, due to the force of past negative karma, it may be difficult to immediately break free from harmful habits. It's like trying to turn around a ship in a storm. It requires great effort and determination. Once we've managed to turn around, we must remain steadfast in our practice to prevent backsliding. Delusions are initially formed through repeated thoughts and actions. Over time, these patterns become deeply ingrained in the mind, operating automatically without conscious effort. This is similar to the concept of consciousness in Buddhism, which refers to the mind's habitual patterns of thought and perception. While delusions are rooted in incorrect perceptions and lead to suffering, the Buddha's wisdom, or natural wisdom, arises from a perfect understanding of reality. This natural wisdom is the result of cultivating and perfecting various wisdoms until they function spontaneously and harmoniously. When all wisdoms are fully developed, they merge to form the Buddha's all-encompassing wisdom, allowing for an instant and complete understanding of all phenomena. The 6 perfections are the foundational practices for cultivating one's own mind. Once these are mastered, one can then proceed to cultivate the additional 4 perfections, which enable a deep understanding of others. With the completion of all 10 perfections, one attains the Buddha's omniscience. This enables the Buddha to perceive the nature of beings with extraordinary clarity, down to the minutest detail. The Buddha can thus provide precisely tailored teachings to meet the needs of each individual.